Hey explorers, welcome back to Matilda Tour, where today we are diving into the captive city of Bushehr that located in south part of Iran. I kicked off my day in a traditional residence nestled in the heart of this old city. The charm of this place set the perfect tone for my Bushehr exploration. First stop, Dehdashti Mansion, an ancient gem turned into a medical museum. The history embedded in its walls is fascinating. From vintage medical tools to centuries-old artifacts, every corner tells a story. As I strolled through the enchanting street, the Persian Gulf beckons. The seaside park was buzzing with life, a gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. The gentle waves, the sea beaches, Bushehr beauties unfolded before me. Next up, a culinary adventure at Qavam restaurant, known for its seafood delights. The ambience was top-notch, but I must warn you, the food price leaned toward the expensive side. Nevertheless, the quality made it a worthwhile experience. The midday heat called for a nap back at the hostel. Recharged and ready for more, I ventured to Taheri Mansion and Museum in the afternoon. The architectural marvel left me in awe. Come evening, I found myself at Risher beach, basking the glory of breathtaking sunset. The view was nothing short of magical, a perfect blend of sea and sky. A trip to Boucher is incomplete without savoring street food. The Old Bazaar offered a feast for the senses, dates, fruits, and the delightful Iranian ash. The flavor lingered on my plate, making it a culinary delight. As the night unfolded, I wandered through the famous youth gathering street, absorbing the vibrant atmosphere. For a perfect nightcap, bowl-ha cafe awaited. Musicians recited Khayyam poems, creating a serene ambience with their Bandari music. And there you have it, Blue Travelers, a day in Bushehr, a blend of history, sea, culinary delights, and the warmth of its people. If you enjoy these adventures, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Matilda Tours videos. Until next time, happy wandering!